Hey everybody, Spawn here, and today I am playing on Tube Tycoon again. Last episode, it was pretty, not really crazy, but we got pretty far. We got 376 subscribers. I'm in debt, but I did get that, and we got to day 10. So let's try to get a goal of subscribers this time. Try to get to 800 subscribers. So let's get right into it. So I have full energy to record the game, Boomy Man, record our daily vlog, start typing change title. It's never gonna let me change the title, is it? It never lets me change the title. Never. So let's just start that daily vlog. And then let's wait. I forgot. I did not get single player yet. I got tags. That's what I got. Alright, so now let's record Baby Man number 7. Alright, Baby Man number 6. My daily vlog, that was a hit. Okay. Okay, come on. Boomy Man. Okay, yes. Thank you, Diolarico. Oh, no. Diolacro, whatever your name is. Alright. Thank you. Whoa. He's pretty good. Got $2 MLG. You suck. Oh. This guy is stupid. What was the biggest and worst waste of time ever? You are the next level with more action, more explosion. Got it. Okay, so let's go to day 11. Oh. Okay. And use a hug. Let's record a movie. Tags, record tag, hair dyeing, let's record a game, Boomy Man number 8, and then let's record the daily vlog. This is the daily vlog. So let's see. Who will get more views? I think this will. Come on. Oh. This will. Dang it. Or will it? Oh, this is gonna be close. Didn't you just like mine? Daily vlog, alright. I'm a GM, so I got money. I get my money. Didn't you like? Yeah, you just like them. I don't understand you. Can I record one more? Yes, I can. No, it's probably not gonna be that good. So my energy is pretty low. See, how long is it going to be? Oh, I already got one. I already got 1 point. Record show. I'm gonna become a vlogger in this, alright. Switch to vlogging mostly. I'm gonna record a show. Let's see. How do you record shows? Daily vlog, opening gifts from fans, blocked. Sports cooking. How do I... What shows? Oh, that's weird. Alright, so let's go to sleep. Accept all the films for... What do you mean accept all the films? Oh. Okay, let's see how much we get. This isn't that good. I already got one balance. Got some comments. Wow, I actually did better than all of them. Yes, another recommendation. Alright. Okay. Let's put there. Day 11. Another tag, I'm guessing. It's called movie tags. I need to find how the heck do I record a movie? Other sports cooking. What the heck? So I just wasted a point. Maybe it just gives me more on. Wait, what? Okay, oh, that got no views. Okay, Boomy Man number 10. Come on, Boomy Man. I don't want to be a vlogger anymore. Never again. Oh my gosh, that skyrocketed. Actually, it's not actually that good. Ugh. Oh, am I gonna get 300? Yes, I got 300. Whoa, that's a lot of subs. Boomer Man number 11. Isn't that good? Seriously. Hold on, it's so cool. First. Well, I think he got it first. I don't know, this guy. Stop recording it. No. No, never stop recording. Dang it, that should have been the last episode. Whoopsie daisy. Alright. Actually, who says whoopsie daisy anymore? Well, fail. Fail. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So much fails. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Alright, let's see. What were the comments? Oh, I didn't get any comments. Oh, it's horrible. I'm just gonna drag this out. Alright. Okay, so it's called to find an episode of this called Movie Daily Vlog. I don't think I did that yesterday. Daily Vlog. And then, do I have any tags? Nope, don't have any tags. Come on, Boomman number 13. Please don't. Of course, gets a ton. Of course, that's for the daily vlog. Oh my gosh, that's a ton. Seriously. What the heck? Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Okay, got some good stuff, I guess. Let's record to see what game should I do next. Floppy Bird. Oh, I don't have the money. Dang it. I'm going back to Saber. Let's see if that's. I can do that. That's good yet. Come on. Can I visit the W Brotherhood yet? I wish I could. Oh, Saber is. What the heck? That's weird. Derp. Career. Requires this. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna save up for single player. Not that I'm gonna have the money to buy the games now. I got $0. Wow. So a basic vlog. Respectable camera, yes. It's the most respectable camera I've ever seen in my life. This is so awesome. It literally said on it, this is a respectable camera. Best YouTube video ever. Come on, I'm on castle. Okay, see, this, everybody loves it. It's beautiful. It's a work of art. Yeah. Reviews. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I did too. I also know it's called Stop the Series. It's the worst series ever. Yeah. Stop the series. It's the second time. That intro stuff. Like that intro stuff. Okay, I have 1 point to distribute. Number 10. Come on. Let's make it more. Ooh, this is actually. Oh, this is gonna get more. I just know it. Yeah. Got way more. Saber is the thing. One more and I would have got more money. Wow, great channel. Stop doing it, please. Yes, Justin Jack. Yes. Everybody come and love watching Saber. Yay. Dual Saber action. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, the entrance went down a ton because of that. What have I done? Oh jeez. 829 subs. Alright. Ooh, this got more. Way more. didn't get much money today. I'm gonna keep it going up. This is totally horrible. Oh, yes! Another person liked my movie, which is a game. Oh, yes. Okay, it's pretty probably understandable. I don't care. This is the best comment. It's the best comment I've ever seen. Yeah. Alright, so end of day 14. Blah, blah, blah. Finally a tag! What if I will die tomorrow? Well, probably the apocalypse would happen, but it's a little bit dark. That's exactly why I'm doing it. Because it's dark, more safer, and then my daily vlog. I liked it. Let's see what will get the most views. I think this will. There's the interest. Never mind, daily vlog. Daily vlogs dominates it. Of course. Daily vlog for the win. Yes. Oh, it's just because I'm better than you. Thank you. I get a bad one, I get a good one. Oh, we reached our goal for this episode. Yes. See, nice videos. I'll subscribe to your channel. Thank you. Who's that? Oh my gosh. I got $9. Alright, first let's record a daily vlog. And then let's record more safer. Let's record a basic vlog about an exciting bunny. Like, he's super exciting that he's so exciting that he makes people's minds explode. Yeah, but that's how awesome he is. Let's see. It's the exciting bunny. Yep. It's always the daily vlog. The exciting bunny came kind of close, I think. Did it come close? Oh no, it didn't even come close. No. Anybody like it? Good job. It's watching this in 2030. Oh wow. Am I in the past? Oh no. It's Back to the Future. Ah, I'm in a camera scene. I don't even know it. What the heck? Okay. Yes. This is okay. Saber. Oh my gosh. The interest. That interest though. Alright, who's gonna get more? The interest on this is pretty high. I'm cheering for Saber. Oh, I think Daily Vlog beat it. Come on, Saber. Rise to the top. Be the warrior you were meant to be. Oh yeah, I lost. I was about to say Daily Vlog, but of course I had to go Saber. Alright, about to get another point. Wrong button. Oh man, I'm dropping. Rent just keeps going up. Finally a tag. Yes, yes, yes. My maker history. Well, this is my history. I've never used it. Oh. Alright, record a tag. Movie. Flower. Gold game. Safer. Now to see what has more. Daily vlogs. I'm just gonna go with this again. Hopefully the daily vlog doesn't get as much as any of these. Up, yep, it did. Pretty sure it just did. Yep, it did. Yes, chocolate milk. Yes. 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 Milk. Need some milk. Yeah. Okay, another tag. Now I'm getting lots of tags already. Let's do another tag. Some things that I'm afraid of. Oh, daily vlog. Game, separ. Now here we go. The same thing basically. Okay, I got a good amount of subs. I have like no money, but whatever. I'm in debt and there's nothing the boy can do about that. So let's just get all this money and get rich, y'all. So come on, reach 900. Dang it! Thank you, Huziak, but thank you, Jatak man. Thank you, Jackie. Blah 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 blah. Wigs. Okay. Wow. Oh, it almost beat it. Wow. Today I got a ton of money. Wow. Much wow. Let's see. Okay. $23. Now I'm at that. Crud. But whatever, we have almost 2,000 subscribers. And I'm going to record till day 30 or 25. I don't really care. Come on. It's gonna get more. I'm gonna guess. I think the same is gonna get more. That's probably the wrong choice. Yep, it was the wrong choice. Of course it was. Oh. But why though? Why did you hate my movie? Why did you hate my movie? So mean. So mean, bro. You're so mean. Why gotta be so rude? Don't you know I think I'm human too? Or am I? Okay, yeah, this is giving you... Oh, wait. How many points do I have? Oh, I can almost get a single player. My curve is already it. My curve won't do blah, blah, blah. What's this? Exclusive games. Ooh. And I'm not going to be able to record it or afford any of those games probably. Alright, Saber, you aren't. Yeah, I'm broke. Definitely broke. Tell yourself pink. Okay. Oh my gosh. This game is crazy. It seems so easy, but really it actually is pretty hard. Well, not really hard, but just annoying. Just dye yourself pink. Just no. Just no. Okay, let's see. Saber Daily Vlog, my first time. My first time in forever. Is it seriously bringing Frozen into this? You gotta be kidding me, not Frozen. Oh no. 10 comments, alright. Oh. Oh crap. Oh snap. I need some milk. Why am I saying this like every second? Okay, done I won. Take done I won. Must have been the lucky day. So it's once I get the tags, I just skyrocket out basically. Like, just get a ton of money from the freaking tags. Why can't everybody that wants to tag with me listen to me tags? Roar. God, 9 more. Oh, my negative 11, and I still got a lot more energy. Saber number 20. That is a very long series. Very. Wow. Right. I didn't get as much views. Probably I'm not going to get as much views if I use a tiny sliver, which I'm going to do, because I am a pro. Why do people keep hating me? People keep hating me. It's because I'm too awesome. They aren't ready for my awesomeness. I'm about to be able to get single player. Or should I get record show? Green screen? I don't know. I'm not doing it because last time I did cooking videos. Oh! I didn't catch the action bag and a good old explosion. Oh, I guess this makes them better. Oh yes! Yes, I can get the double brotherhood. Brotherhood right now, or if I get, or I can buy single player games super soon. This is tough. Yeah, Yes, thank you, Daz. Yes. Oh, I'm not broke. I'm not broke. Yes, I am not broke. And I also got a tag. Oh yeah. Here comes the money. Got my perfect imperfections. How does that even work? My perfect imperfections. Oh. Well, that was $50, so I'm just gonna get single player games because I am an MLG Pro Gangsta Gangsta. Yes, I watch Pink Sheep, I don't care. Oh yes, I'm out of debt. What the? Mr. Bionico? I finally got money. Why you gotta hate me, bro? You afraid of me? You afraid of me? I think it's afraid of me. It's afraid of me. Alright. Holy game. Saber number 25, last episode. Here we go. And then just finish that off with a basic vlog on Epic Pizza. Welcome to the quest of the Epic Pizza. Dun, 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 dun. The quest where there was a giant pizza. It got stolen. You need to find the pizza and bring it back to the kingdom so you can eat pizza and be like a pro Skittles. Yes. Okay. So it's sleep on it. It's sleep on the quest. $3. Feeling it. Feeling it. Pretty sure I'm gonna get a good amount of money there. Record a basic vlog about a crazy carpet that wouldn't stop eating people's faces. Daily vlog, come on. Oh, I didn't get as many views as I wanted you to. Oh, actually, over 1,000 is pretty darn good because it gives me lots of money to buy stuff. $21. Alright. Crazy carpet wasn't that popular. I guess it just didn't like people getting eaten. I guess they just didn't like watching people get killed. Alright, so oh, it's a free one. Grand Theft Vehicle. That's a oh my gosh, that's a lot. World of Blue, Pokemon. World of Blue. World of Blue, I don't know what it's a parody of. Maybe it's World, I don't know. No, World of Blue. Okay, not many people liked it. Maybe because I didn't have much energy. Alright, I'm gonna be in debt again, but I don't care. I get $21. So yeah, I'm playing till day 30. So let's sleep on this. 18 in debt. Let's go to record a vlog. Let's record the World of Glue and see how this goes. Daily vlog's probably gonna get a lot more. Oh, it's not gonna get as much as I thought it would. Actually, yeah, it's getting a lot. Oh, almost 2,000. Almost 2,000 during the Alright, I'm $10 in. World of Blue, come on. I'm just gonna keep playing now. Now I'm gonna play 2 Tycoon on 2 Tycoon on 2 Tycoon on 2 Tycoon on 2 Tycoon. If I can do that. Alright. Okay, that's better than I did last time. Okay, $12 from that. And then finally, World of Glue number 4. Which barely have an energy for it, so it's not going to be that good probably. Okay, once I get one more point, I am going to visit the Brotherhood. Pay them a little visit. Wait, it costs $50, I think. Yeah, it costs $50. Okay, let's just play World of Glue. Yeah, I didn't get much because I was tired too much. Okay, 826. Well done, that's so cool. Great video. Awesome. I think I just messed it up. If now like it's all messed up. It's not my fault, actually. Well, actually, it is my fault, but it's all messed up for the rest of the video. It's almost over. I'm sorry, it's almost over though. Okay, sleep on it. It's 4 more days of torture or whatever it is, or if something even happened. Daily vlog. Record game, word of glue, and then another word of glue, and then another word of glue. Oh. Okay. Triple word of glue. Okay. Because 6 got released before 5. Got some good logic going on. Yes, finally somebody liked my movie. 363 subs. Oh yeah. Finally I got a tag. Oh, this is going to be good. Oh, movie tags, record tag, selfie tag, emoji. Like I say, I'm gonna do everything I don't know, but I don't care. Last episode of that, the internet is down a lot. And let's do the daily vlog. Interest is down on that, but I don't care. It's still giving me a lot of stuff. Selfie tag. Oh, it didn't do so well. Daily vlog, of course, got a ton. For some reason, I got a ton. Oh, someone liked my... Stop it. Okay, yes, somebody liked my movie for once. Please don't have another hater come in. Another hater didn't come. This is awesome. Wait, I'm gonna try to visit the W blog. Oh, yes. Activity, fame, time. Fame. Amount. What does this do? Recommendations give more viewers. Okay. Try not to drown in overwhelming numbers of subscribers. From now on, every time you are being recommended by YouTube fame, you gain more viewers. Okay. That is pretty good. So I'm going to sleep, record the new thing. Okay. So let's record a tag, and then I'm going to record a game, start a new series. Oh, I'm just gonna start Tycoon. Thank goodness it's free. It costs $0. I don't have $0. But why though? Okay, that gave me 24. Wait, I didn't do my daily vlog yet. Oops. Daily vlog, do your thing, please. Make me rich. Okay. That's actually going up pretty fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I'm out of debt. And now daily vlog just going quick. Why? Why would you do that? Thank you, Nescott. But then I lost subs. Alright, I'm now pretty wealthy, so I'm not playing Tycoon. I need to stop getting that Birdman. So it's almost day 30. Once it hits day 30, the episode will end. Wait, next week or tomorrow, the day after, I don't know when am going to record it for episode 3. 4, 5, 6. I didn't get any money. But I mean, it's Birdman. It literally says Birdman. I mean, sure, it could intrigue, but like, what would the thumbnail? Giant bird? I don't know. So it's gonna be the final episode of this day. Okay, Birdman, Asylum, Batman, Asylum, whatever you pronounce Asylum as. race that fast. What the heck? Why does everybody hate me now? Alright. Maybe, oh, it's because I was tired of it. Let's record my regular daily vlog. Let's record Birdman, Asylum, and Birdman, Asylum again. Alright, publishing. Okay, I'm getting reasonable now. That's going up faster, I think. Who's gonna get more? Which one's gonna get more? This one is, alright. 10, 50. $53? Say what? I'm getting into the rich people club. I'm becoming famous. Oh my gosh, yes. Make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, I'm becoming famous. Make it rain. Make it rain, becoming famous. Make it rain. Make it rain. Oh, come on. So, end of day 29, I'm at $31. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, the next episode is going to be next week, tomorrow, or the day after. I don't really know when I record it, but I will when I can. So, thank you for watching. If you like my videos and you want future uploads, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'm pretty sure my commentary has improved if you watch my past videos. So, good.